In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Activecampaign with Hubspot. To get started, log into your Hubspot account. Make sure you are in the correct portal before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one account. Once you are inside Hubspot, look at the top navigation bar and find the Marketplace icon, which looks like a shopping bag. Click on that icon, then choose App Marketplace from the menu. This will take you to the area where Hubspot integrations and connected tools are managed. In the search bar, type Activecampaign and look for the official integration app in the results. It is a good idea to confirm that you are selecting the correct app so you connect the right service. When you open the Activecampaign integration page, go to the top right corner and click Install App. Hubspot will then show you the permissions required for the connection. Take a moment to review these access details so you understand what the integration will be able to do between both platforms. Next, click Choose Account to connect your Hubspot portal. If you are already signed in, this part may move quickly. If not, simply follow the on-screen prompts to continue. After that, a new window will open so you can log into your Activecampaign account. Once you are inside Activecampaign, you may be asked to provide connection details to complete the setup. If prompted, enter your Activecampaign API URL and API key. These can be found inside Activecampaign under Settings, then Developer. For security, make sure you copy the information carefully and only enter it in the official connection window. After entering the required details, click Connect. At this point, the integration should begin linking Activecampaign with Hubspot. If the connection does not go through right away, double-check that you selected the correct Hubspot portal and that the connection details from Activecampaign were entered correctly. Small typing errors can prevent the setup from working, so it helps to review everything once before trying again. After the connection is successful, Hubspot and Activecampaign will be linked and ready for use through the installed integration that covers everything you need to know.